Today is the 7th of March. A huge building exploded in Bangladesh. Okay, the building, I think it's an office building where there was an explosion in that building for some reason. They're still investigating what's the cause of the explosion. 17 people, at least 17 people has been killed so far and over 100 injured. Okay, it has occurred in Bangladesh. As you know, Bangladesh is the border of India. The building is an office building. It has happened today, the 7th of March. The building was a 7-story building where there was a severe explosion, and as I said, 17 people has been killed and over 100 injured. Okay, you guys can do more research online. As I said, a 7-story building was exploded in Bangladesh, which is in the border of India, where at least 17 people has been killed so far and over 100 injured. Okay, it has happened today, the 7th of March. Now, guys, like 3 weeks ago, I want you guys to see what I dreamed. Factory explosion in India/Pakistan, but I knew it can happen to any other country in that region. As I said, Bangladesh is part of India as well. It's in the border of India. I dreamed that on the 10th of February, and I'll let you guys read the rest. I thought it's a factory or refinery or manufacturing batteries, but it was an office building. And in my dream, 25 people will die. So far, 17 has been killed, but we will see. The figure might rise, and I am pretty sure, I hope not, but I'm pretty sure it will reach around 25 people will die. Okay, so I knew it, guys, 3 weeks ago, something like this will happen in that region, and it has happened exactly the same thing. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and please share my videos. Thank you.